Hey guys, it's Caitlin, and today I am joined with my cat, and I am going to be making some edible Play-Doh. So, I need to put him down and I need to go wash my hands. Alright, so I have my hands washed, so first I will need 2 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. By the way, I'm reading a recipe that I printed off. So yeah, 2 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, so I'm going to get that and I will be right. Alright, the powdered sugar is now all in the bowl. So next I will need 1 cup of peanut butter, and I can do that one on camera. I don't know why I didn't do the other one on camera. Meh. So I have a spoon here. I'm going to dig into this fresh peanut butter. There's a few little things there. I think it's funny, but put it into our cup. So it doesn't say a heaping cup or anything, so I just kind of rounded it out as much as I could. And now we're going to scoop the peanut butter into here, but I could not let it flop because that would have made a mess, and I am wearing black pants right now. Probably not the best idea while working with powdered sugar. Meh. So, I still need to find a good video editing software. I cannot find any that are like free because I'm definitely not paying for anything right now. I don't have the money to do that yet. When spring comes around, I'll also be starting golf, so I won't have the money then either because I can't work a lot when I have sports. But I don't know, we'll see what happens with that. But since I can't really find one, and I've been editing on iMovie, and that's meh. It's alright, but it doesn't make the videos much fun. I'm trying to get an end card and everything in. I don't know, but yeah. So I'm gonna start going to like I think I was doing Tuesday, Thursday, and then Saturday uploads is what I'm going to change to instead of every day. So I'm not going to upload tomorrow, even though tomorrow is Tuesday, but then I'll do it on Thursday, and then Saturday I will upload again. So yeah, but next we need 1/2 cup of honey. So I have my 1/2 cup and I have my honey. This thing of honey was almost full, now it's almost empty, but we have our 1/2 cup of honey now. That's so satisfying. I remember eating this recipe as a kid. My mom found it probably on Pinterest or something, and me and my sister made it once. I think we had it for like maybe 15 minutes that we played with it, and then I tried it first because we didn't know if it was good because we'd never had it before, and it was so good. And I've been wanting to make this for a while, but I've never really had the time or the excuse to make it, and now I have an excuse to make it. Thanks, YouTube. Okay, so that's literally everything. It's a 3-thing recipe. So I have this spatula, and I'm going to stir this, and I will be back with you when I stir it. So this is actually what it looks like right now. I just thought I'd show you guys a little bit of the stirring from up here. But I can't really stir this very well one-handed, so yeah. Alright, so I decided to mix it with my hands because the spatula was kind of going too slow. I mean, it definitely looks way better, but it's kind of messy right now, so yeah, I'm just gonna stay on here for the remainder of mixing this. it's looking better. So it definitely looks more like a dough texture now. It's definitely better. So I lied, I'm not going to stay on for the remainder of this mixing because I just want to get both hands in and I can't really stop it when my other hand is messy. So I'm going to do this and then I'm going to, yeah. So I'll be back when it is fully mixed and out of the bowl. Alright guys, so I have it out of the bowl right now. It's on the table. I washed my hands because they were kind of messy. But this is what it looks like. I'm going to get it into a ball here quick. I just had it laid down on the table. I swear this kid keeps falling. There we go. So, it's a pretty big ball compared to my head. It's pretty big. So now, I might have dropped some on the floor. Yikes. Now, I'm going to try some. So, oh, oopsies, dropped it. Alright, ready? This is good. This is really good. And it's fun too. So yeah, that was the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Hey, you should like this video because like, why not? And then you should subscribe too because then you can like even more of my videos. Yeah, that'd be fun.